Hey guys, so here's my cousin's 2008 NuTone central air conditioner. I might film this a few times already, but I haven't filmed in 2019, so why not do it in 2019? This does not may have been running actually. So it's a cheap Nordyne with no micro channel at all. It's very surprising because this might last a while. And it's still kicking in. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. And I believe they even take care of this unit. This replaced a 1990s Rheem Classic X back in 2008. This is a 2.5 ton from the 50th week of 2008. Actually, no, this is from February 2008. So this is already like 12 years old, or 11. I believe those coils right there are probably about to corrode. They're in great condition after all, not even this logo. It's a modern Nordyne. But let's try and get this one starting up. I probably can, but let's go try. Alright, this is the best I can do. And I'm also gonna film with my camera, so yeah, I'm also gonna get the start up. So I already heard that start up. So I'm filming with my camera and my phone at the same time. Alright, so I'm done filming my camera, but it's got a, honestly this has a nice scroll sound, honestly. That's already freezing cold. Holy crap. That's hot right there, actually. It's in great condition. It has R22 refrigerant. Oh, and guys, you think I'll forget the other unit right there? Here's the other unit. Also got the fan motor replacement already. We're also gonna try and get this one starting up, but with my camera, the Canon. This is a 2008 NuTone. It's got a Tray Pro Copeland scroll compressor and a fan motor hack job, because these are lazy HVAC techs these days. What a nice logo this has. So as you may know, this is from the second week of 2008. I mean, no, this is from February 2008. We're gonna try to get this one starting up. So, yeah, I'm also gonna film it with my camera too. I always usually set it right here when I was this little, so, because I remember this unit since then. So here's the other 2008 NuTone. Right here, I'm also gonna get the starting up. There we go. unbelievably loud. That unit is unbelievably loud. Wow, bro. It's also vibrating the whole entire ground. I'm not even joking. It's probably the only way to stop that vibration. I heard that start up all the way from that window right there. It is loud as hell. Oh yeah, that's already freezing cold. R22 refrigerant from 2008. It also sounds nice without the vibration, but it sounds horrible with it. This unit is also in great condition, but not that fan motor. The hack job with those lazy HVAC techs these days. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do with the start. I'm not gonna bother doing the shutdown out of these two units. Got the 2.5 ton from 2008. These two. Like, listen to it from all the way over here. That is so loud. But this one's way quieter. Alright then, I'm gonna wrap up this video for now. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. These are the two 2008 NuTone 2.5 ton units. Over and out. Alright, so I already did the shutdown. Thanks for watching. What?